The BenQ W4100i is a 4K HDR home theater projector that elevates your viewing experience to a whole new level. It's designed for anyone who wants cinematic quality without leaving the comfort of their home. With cutting-edge technology and smart features, this projector stands out in the competitive home theater market. One of the first things you notice is brightness. At 3,200 lumens, it delivers crisp and vivid images, even in rooms that aren't fully darkened. This is perfect for living rooms or multipurpose spaces, ensuring movies, shows, or games always look clear and vibrant. Color accuracy is another area where the W4100i excels. Covering 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut and Rec. .709, the projector produces rich, precise colors. This is crucial for a true cinematic experience because it ensures every scene looks exactly as the creators intended. With factory calibration, the colors are accurate right out of the box, meaning you don't have to adjust settings manually. The HDR10 Plus support enhances highlights and deepens shadows, making images pop with realistic depth. Smart features are fully integrated with Android TV. This means you can stream your favorite content directly from apps like Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and YouTube without the need for extra devices. The interface is smooth, fast, and intuitive, which simplifies navigation and makes watching content more enjoyable. Flexibility in setup is a key advantage of the W4100i. The four-way lens shift allows you to adjust the image vertically and horizontally without moving the projector, which is especially helpful in tight spaces or unconventional room layouts. Paired with keystone correction, this ensures a perfectly aligned image no matter where the projector is placed. Ceiling mount, shelf, or table placement all work seamlessly. The projector's contrast performance enhances the viewing experience. Blacks are deep, whites are bright, and HDR content comes to life with striking clarity. Action sequences, sports, or visually intense games feel immersive, while motion handling keeps fast-moving scenes smooth and blur-free. For gamers, low input lag ensures responsive gameplay without delay, making it ideal for console and PC gaming alike. In terms of design, the W4100i is sleek and unobtrusive, fitting well into modern living spaces. Its size and style don't dominate the room, and the flexible setup options make installation easy. Even if you don't have a dedicated home theater, this projector adapts to your environment without compromising image quality. Overall, the BenQ W4100i brings together 4K HDR resolution, high brightness, precise color accuracy, smart streaming capabilities, and flexible installation into a complete home entertainment package. It's perfect for movie enthusiasts, gamers, or anyone looking to enhance their streaming experience. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster, enjoying a TV series, or playing fast-paced games, this projector transforms your living space into a true cinema. With vivid colors, high contrast, and sharp clarity, the W4100i is designed to impress from the first frame to the last. It's an investment in home entertainment that truly elevates the way you experience movies and games. For anyone ready to upgrade their home theater setup, the BenQ W4100i is a compelling choice. It's bright, smart, flexible, and delivers visuals that are hard to beat. Once you experience the combination of cinematic color, HDR performance, and smart functionality, it's clear why this projector stands out in the home theater market.